Congratulations on your furnace. Now you will have to find some iron. You can only mine iron with a stone pickaxe or any from the above, like etc., like gold and stuff. So you need to find iron, smelt it with coal. So it might take a long time if it's kind of like a ravine here, but you will probably need torches with these things. But just find it at like deep slate, like that. You can find iron at deep slate. Right here. In fact, you can actually mine deep slate with iron. You can actually mine deep slate with a stone pickaxe. And everything else. You can mine a deep slate. You can mine any deep slate that has coal